If you've ever been denied a loan, paid more for insurance, or struggled to get approved for an apartment, chances are your credit score had something to do with it. And here's the truth. In today's financial world, your credit score isn't just a number. It's your reputation. It affects your ability to borrow money, the interest rates you'll pay, and even how much trust a lender places in you. But here's the good news. You don't need to be rich or have years of financial history to build a strong credit score. All you need is one simple tool, a credit card. That's right. When used the right way, a credit card can be your most powerful ally in building credit from scratch or improving a low score. But if you use it carelessly, it can hurt more than help. In this video, we're going to break it all down for you in a simple, step-by-step way. How exactly does using a credit card build your credit score? What mistakes should you avoid? What are the smart habits that actually move your score up fast? We're answering all of that and more, so you can take full control of your financial future, starting today. Stick around to the end, because we're sharing real, proven strategies that banks don't always tell you. And once you understand how to use them, your credit score could start improving faster than you think. And if you're serious about mastering your finances, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, so you never miss powerful tips like this again. Let's get started and discover how one card, used wisely, can change your entire financial life. Your credit score is one of the most powerful numbers in your financial life. It can open doors to opportunity, lower your interest rates, improve your chances of loan approval, and even affect your ability to rent a home or get certain jobs. But what if you're just starting out and you don't have a credit score yet? Or maybe you've made some mistakes in the past, and now you're looking for a way to fix things and build that number back up. The answer, my friend, lies in one powerful tool, a credit card. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Credit cards are risky, right? They lead to debt, high interest, and financial problems. But that only happens if you don't know how to use them wisely. When used correctly, a credit card can be your greatest ally in building and improving your credit score step by step. It's not about spending recklessly or chasing rewards. It's about developing the habits that credit bureaus recognize and reward. In this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to do that. We'll break down what a credit score is, how it works, how a credit card affects it, and how to make the most of your card to boost your score efficiently and safely. So let's start with the foundation. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, essentially, how likely you are to repay borrowed money. It ranges from 300 to 850, with higher numbers being better. Lenders, banks, being better. Lenders, banks, landlords, and even employers use this score to decide whether they can trust you with credit, housing, or financial responsibilities. A good score can mean lower interest rates, bigger loan approvals, and better financial opportunities. A poor score can mean getting denied or paying more for everything. Now, your score is calculated based on several factors. The biggest one is your payment history, which accounts for 35% of your score. That means whether or not you pay your bills on time. Next is your credit utilization ratio, which is 30% of your score. That measures how much of your available credit you're using. The lower your utilization, the better. Then comes the length of your credit history, which is 15%. The longer you've had accounts open and in good standing, the more points you score. After that, 10% comes from your credit mix. How many different types of credit you have, like credit cards, auto loans, or student loans. And finally, 10% is based on recent credit inquiries, especially hard inquiries from applications. Now here's where the credit card comes in. A single credit card can help with every one of these categories. By opening a credit card and using it responsibly, you create a payment history. Every on-time payment you make is a positive signal to credit bureaus. By keeping your balance low, you show responsible usage and lower your utilization ratio. As time goes on, your account's age helps your credit history grow. If you have only a credit card, it still counts as part of your credit mix. And as long as you don't apply for too many cards at once, you avoid negative impact from inquiries. So how do you start? First, if you don't already have a credit card, apply for one designed for beginners. This could be a secured card where you deposit your own money as a safety net, or a student card if you're in school. Some banks also offer entry-level cards with no annual fee and limited rewards, perfect for building credit. Once you're a